Hello, Google. Chris. Hello. Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo. This is my view in fewer than two. Google making waves. No, wait. No. They killed Wave pretty quickly. They're making headlines again because it's Google. According to a report, Google canceled its Iris AR glasses project earlier this year, 2023. It is now focused on creating AR software platforms to license to headset manufacturers. This is, at least as far as Google's concerned, smart, because there's no way they're going to be able to catch up with what Apple is doing with their headset or spatial computing device, whatever Apple wants to call it, because I guess Apple may run into a trademark issue with calling it a Vision Pro. So who knows what that's going to be. I'm still excited for it, certainly when it comes down to the pike, but Google gave it a shot. The idea of this wearable years ago with Google Glass. I was not a glass hole. I probably would have been. I've been called something that sounds similar to that word, but there's just not a chance that Google would be able to compete head-to-head. So the only thing they could effectively do to keep their platform relevant is to give it away. So I believe, unless there's a dark horse out there that we don't know of yet, just coming up from behind, Samsung is probably going to be the biggest competitor to Apple, at least as far as that goes, because honestly, Samsung's the biggest competitor as far as the iPhone and the iPad is concerned. iFad, I call it an iFad. Well, it's not really a fad, although most people who have iPads don't really know what they're doing. Maybe you know what you're doing with your iPad. Maybe you think you know what you're going to be doing with your Vision Pro if you have one, but we need competition. Competition keeps everything healthy. Competition, I can't even say that word. I'm having a problem talking today.